how to get flawless looking skin without using foundation. Let's do it together. Starting off with my favorite concealer, this is the Clinique Even Better. I wear the shade CN40 Cream Chamois. I'm just putting it here, on any little spots that I might have. I want to keep it as light and as natural as possible. I'm also going to take some on my fingertip and cover up a blemish that I have on my neck. And the rest, you just go ahead and blend in with your fingertip. You don't need too much. You don't need to put concealer everywhere. Just put it directly in the areas that you need to cover, specifically maybe spots, or like I have some sunspots here on my upper lip. I want to cover those, and I always want to cover my eyelid. Now I'm taking my bronzer. This time I don't need to really create too much color because I have a lot of color on my skin, but what I want to do is create the illusion that my skin is quite flawless, that I'm not wearing anything on my skin. This is just my natural shadows to my face. And then to give me a natural eyeshadow, I place my bronzer as well, just right on top of my lid and through my eyebrow to add youthful volume, lots of glow, lots of blush. So I'm gonna place my blush here under my eye because I have nice deep set eyes. So I have a natural shadow that gets cast under my eye. So I want this pink to make my under eye pop, to make it look like I have a lot more volume than I do. And placing my blush here pulls my face up and out. Try to also place some of your blush on top of your eyelid or through your eyebrow onto your forehead. It's going to look like you have naturally flushed skin instead of just having blush placed in one area of the face. And finish your look with some eyeliner and your favorite lipstick, and you're done. Flawless, beautiful looking skin, but it didn't take any time and you used no foundation. So easy.